And now we can move on to perhaps my favorite category this evening, food and drink. Lisa, you have something very special to share with us, don't you?
Well, thank you. I believe I do. I am inviting you into my house and I am going to prepare my favorite Christmas morning breakfast. And this is a video that we made that we'd like to show to you.
Hello, MNT friends. Welcome to my kitchen and happy holidays. My cherished Christmas memory is an edible one, German pancakes, or as some people inaccurately call them, Dutch babies, but we'll get to that later. The reason I love having German pancakes on Christmas morning is because they're easy to make, only 5 ingredients, and there's a definite wow factor when they come out of the oven, which you'll see tonight. Let's get started. We'll put the recipe in the chat feature and you'll have a record of it. So we're going to start with 3 eggs.
So because we don't have the chat feature tonight, it'll be in the follow-up email tomorrow.
Good reminder. Yes.
You ready for this business?
Yes. Yes.
I wasn't supposed to make the final cut. I was talking to Zen, our camera person. Whisk, whisk, whisk. So equal parts milk and flour, doesn't matter. Whole milk, 2%, 1% skim. Well, not skim. This is 1%.
This is so well done, Lisa.
Thank you. Well, it only took us, well, it took us hours to get all the technology to work, but not only 30 minutes to make
Add the milk to the eggs, stir that together, get a lot of air in there, and then add the flour all together. So I'm going to put the pan in the oven to get it hot. You want to make sure that it doesn't stay in there too long so your butter doesn't burn when you add it.
You could also preheat this on the stove
let
top.
our pan get hot, we're going to add our butter. So bring out your preheated pan, but use your oven mitt.
This is very important. I mentioned the oven mitt several times because I have burned my hand many times.
Oh.
I'm very proud of how the butter turned out. It's just foaming.
Yeah, when the handle sticks out like that, I think you should be able to grab it, don't you?
Yeah, especially after you've cooked it.
Right.
Right into the hot butter, right in the pan, right in the middle, so the butter goes out on the edges. And then remembering to put your thing in, now we're going to put it in the oven.
Obviously, I cannot remember the word for oven mitt, so I said thing.
My grandmother was German. I've learned that what I know as a German pancake is an American invention by German immigrants. And the name Dutch baby is a linguistic mistake by a young girl right here in Seattle. Her father, Victor Menke, owned a restaurant in Seattle and made a Deutsch pancake, which she heard as Dutch, and she called it a baby because he made her a smaller one. So the Menke family owned a trademark for Dutch babies in the 1940s. Oh yes, oh yes.
I call everyone into the kitchen when their pancake comes out. They must come running.
Oh yeah, and that burns through the thing.
The thing.
It's a good genetic thing.
And there it deflates.
You're having us over for these.
Yes, I would be happy to. They're super easy.
Yeah. 5 ingredients, you said?
5 ingredients.
Amazing.
And this is pure happiness because
So much for
Zen
joining
had
us.
made me put in extra
You saw
salt.
the wow factor as it came out of the oven, but I hope you enjoy having a German pancake on your Christmas morning.
So Zen made me do the salt a couple of times and they made me do the lemon a couple of times for the shot. So I thought this was going to taste horrible. So when I took that bite and the joy on my face, that's real because I was happy that it didn't taste horrific. So that is my Christmas morning tradition. And I hope that you can join us. You can weave that into, yeah, make it yourself.
Easy.
It is easy.
Thank you for presenting that to us.